So behind me, we're going to hang these unfinished cabinets from Home Depot that I bought. I bought 3 of them. As you can see, they're just simple cabinets. They have a shelf at the bottom that I'm going to fix after we hang. But before we get started, I got to remove these doors to make it a lot easier for us to hang on the wall, and then I can find the stud and screw it into the wall. So let's get to it. Now that the doors have been removed, this is going to be my corner cabinet. So before we put it on the wall, I want to add a spacer just to give the door some clearance when I open the door so it's not hitting up against that wall. So I have a piece by 2x1. I'm just going to measure it, make sure it's clearance. I know it's 30 inches. So I need to cut this piece, make sure it's straight and level. Mark it right here. Yep. So I'm gonna get this piece cut, and then we're gonna drill into the side and make sure it's braced and right and tight. And then we can go and install it on the wall. So now I have my spacer. Make sure it fits. All right, perfect. So now we're gonna clamp it in, and I'm gonna screw it in from the side, and then I'll have my spacer added to this corner cabinet. So now you can see where I braced in my spacer. Now we are going to add our pilot hole. Smoking. Now we're going to add our screw. One down, 2 more to go. I'm going to add one right here in the middle. And here's our last one. There we go. That's not going anywhere. Now that we have our spacer in, now we can get ready to mount onto the wall.